Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both devices, update your iPhone, and enable CarPlay in Settings. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the Veloz USB-labeled CarPlay, or enable wireless pairing in the infotainment menu. Cable is simpler for first-time setup. Once done, unlock your iPhone and accept any prompts that request permission to connect. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for wireless. You'll see the CarPlay icon appear on the Veloz screen. Tap it to start the session and move to the next step. Once CarPlay is active on the Veloz screen, you customize and use apps. On your iPhone, go to Settings, CarPlay Veloz to rearrange app icons so your most used items are prominent. Then, press the steering wheel voice button or say, "Hey Siri," to control navigation, messages, and audio hands-free. This reduces distraction and keeps your eyes on the road. Tap Maps for route guidance, open music or podcasts for audio, and launch compatible third-party apps. Each app will display simple controls for safe driving. To finish, end CarPlay from the Veloz home screen and unplug the cable, or disable wireless CarPlay on your iPhone. If CarPlay doesn't connect or is laggy, reboot your iPhone and restart the Veloz infotainment system. This clears temporary faults. Make sure the Lightning cable isn't frayed, confirm CarPlay permission is allowed in iPhone settings, and check for a firmware update for the Veloz. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different Apple-certified cable first. Most issues come from damaged or non-
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.